Hello guys, I'm Christopher Reyatasan. And now, let's talk about our data dictionary that we use on our system that we are working for. Our data dictionary are divided into six parts: the field name, data type, data format, field size, description, and lastly is the example. So first, let's talk about the field name. So what is field name? So field name refers to the name that we assign on our particular data element within our database or our data structure. We use this to easily and uniquely identify and access the specific data. Next is the data type. Data type is a classification that specifies the type of data that a variable, object, or expression can hold or represent. Next is the data format. Data format refers to the structure or organization of data in a specific way to facilitate its storage. Next is the field size. Field size refers to the number of the data that users require to input on our system. Next is the description. Description is basically refers on the comment about the data that we input on our field name. And last is the example. These are the data dictionary that we will be using in making our system. On our first data dictionary, the first name is the name, and we put the data type here as a text since the user may have to enter their name using letters and they don't need to use any other special characters. And our data format here we use as asterisk as to indicate that the the field that field name is not have any data. So our field size here is 20. So simply because we don't know how long their name and their and especially their surname. Maybe they have an extension name. And for the description, simply as the name of the employee, the name of the one who employed by the company. And for example, John Bautista. And for the field name, second one is the account number. And we use data type here as a integers since from the word itself numbers, so they need to input numbers on this type.
Created using Powtoon.